$21,351.33. That is what I've spent thus far on coyote swapping my foxbody. Let's break it down. I'm going to break it down parts, car, and engine and trans. Most of my parts came from LMR, and that came to a whopping $4,326.79, and still counting because I've got another $3-4 grand in the cart anyway. UPR, $1,971.54. I don't think I need anything else from them. Power by the hour, $451 and counting also. Rock Auto, $302. And finally, Amazon, $167.95, which is really surprising considering, I don't know, that's the easiest way to get, well, actually I haven't added up those parts. We'll just say Amazon's at like $250. But anyway, parts totaling is going to be $7,351.33. The engine and trans that came out of a 2020 Mustang GT with 40,000 miles on it, $9,300. Yeah, it is what it is. I know everybody and their mom has somebody that knows somebody that knows somebody that can get it for $2.50. Anyway, and then the car itself, for a steal in my opinion, $5,000. This car was pretty virgin vehicle. It didn't even have subframe connectors, all original. I probably should have just left it that way. Anyway, grand total $21,351.33. Yeah, would have been a sweet down payment on a brand new 2025